Today's video, how to install the cable cover bracket in a gutter bottom. The cable cover bracket can help improve the efficiency of any heat cable system by securely holding the heat cable to the bottom and through its aluminum body transferring heat to the gutter itself. This will create a much larger melt area than just having heat cable in the gutter bottom alone. Additionally, it serves as a protection for the heat cable against gutter cleaning and other possible damage within the gutter itself. Start by removing any protective film that may be on the cable cover bracket, and then lay the cable cover bracket in the gutter bottom. If you're working from a ladder, have the opening of the cable cover bracket pointed away from you. This will make it easier to insert the heat cable in the gutter bottom. It's also important to have the heat cable routed already in the gutter bottom, as it will be much easier to route the cable and pull it through the gutter without the cable cover bracket in the gutter. Starting at one end of the gutter, push the heat cable into the channel in the cable cover bracket until it's fully seated and inserted into the cable cover bracket, continuing to work along until all of the cable is pushed in to the cable cover bracket. While the cable cover bracket is useful on long gutter runs, it should be stopped short of inside and outside corners. As we see pictured here, the reason for that, the cable has to be turned on its side to be routed around the corner. It's also a good idea for inside corners with the added amount of snow and water that can be introduced there to loop the cable back on itself so that you create a triple layer or barrier of protection. It's important to note that this type of heat cable, known as self-regulating heat cable, can overlap on itself or touch itself without creating excessive hot spots or burning out. This is perfectly safe to do. The cable cover bracket should also be stopped approximately 12 inches from a downspout to allow for the installation of a downspout hanger. The cable cover bracket can be used alone in a gutter or can also be used in conjunction with single or double cable eave panels or other eave protection products as part of a complete system. Please check out our other helpful videos in our how-to series by Edgemelt Systems. Certainly thanks for taking the time to watch, and don't forget to subscribe.